welcome to the Torrs.
Today you join me on a video in this place called the Torrs. It's in New Mills in Derbyshire, not far from where I live, and sorry if the noise is a bit too loud here. There's like a bit of a waterfall here. It sounds like Niagara Falls, but believe me, it's not that big. Still quite a cool little feature, one of the features that you'll probably see in this video that I'm going to make, but I actually wanted to get out today, and I was due to meet someone to go Kinder Scout, which is like a bit of a sort of mountain, big hill at the sort of past New Mills into Derbyshire, and well, the problem was the weather was just so cold last night and this morning, and it was quite windy, and I just did not want to risk trying to fly the drone, you know, potentially losing it, crash, whatever, maybe not even start, so spend all that time to go up there, might not work. So I thought, charged up all the drone, charged up the GoPro, charged up the camera, everything was ready, all excited, and then that happened. So I thought, let's come out here, do a nice little video, show you some of the nice surroundings of this area called the Torrs. It's got a few things. It's got this place called the Millenium Bridge, which I'm actually pretty much under now, and you're going to get to see that later, which was built and ready for the year 2000. And then we've got things like a bridge / viaduct back that way, another sort of little waterfall. So, oh, and this big old mill as well, which I'm going to try and do some cool shots of. Hopefully you get to see all this in a nice video, because I've been dying to get another drone video this year, so hopefully this time it works. And I've got my batteries charged to so at least I can get more footage. One little channel update as well is I've put like a little support donate button on my homepage banner at the bottom right. So if any of you are interested in supporting my channel and trying to sort of push the progression of it so I can look to get better tech much faster, then that'd be brilliant. So I'm going to go over, set myself up with the drone and see what I can get. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the little bell button to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks everyone again, see ya, bye!